Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by visiting Bluehost and selecting a plan that fits your needs and budget. Basic plans handle one site, while Plus plans add resources and backups. During checkout, register a new domain or transfer an existing one and confirm ownership in your account settings so DNS propagates. Create your Bluehost account, complete billing, and enable the free SSL certificate on the domain. SSL protects visitor data. Finally, use Bluehost's one-click WordPress install from the dashboard once the domain shows active and the certificate is applied. Log into your Bluehost account and open My Sites, then click Create Site to launch Bluehost's one-click WordPress installer and populate basic site name and admin credentials. Save those securely. After WordPress is installed, open the Appearance Themes area and pick a responsive theme, then go to Customize to set site identity, colors, header logo, typography, and menus for a consistent look. Install essential plugins: an SEO plugin, a contact form plugin, and a caching plugin to optimize search, collect leads, and improve page speed. Create core pages like Home, About, Contact, and Blog. Then set a static front page or choose a blog index under Settings reading so visitors land where you intend. Build primary menus under Appearance menus, add your pages and categories, and publish initial content optimized with headings and meta descriptions. Connect Google Analytics via a plugin to track traffic and conversions, enable automated backups, and a security plugin to scan for malware. And regularly update WordPress core, themes, and plugins to maintain performance and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.